Welcome back, all my radical people. Today we are going to be installing some wind deflectors on my 2002 Toyota Tundra. So check them out. They came in the Amazon, which is Amazon seems the best way to shop lately because it's easier. So I'm gonna take them out of this box and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, and we're gonna install them. Check them out. Got us some Wind Deflectors side window deflectors in channel. I don't know what that word says. Either way, there's some ABS. That's what they look like in the package. Let me grab something to cut this plastic. Oh, look how shiny they are. I had some on my truck before, but you know, they're in the sun all the time, so they do wear out. So this double-sided tape right here. So you peel this red part in and you slide it up in the channel of your I don't know what you call it, your window channel. So let's do that now. Alright, check it out. I just got a setting in there right now, but so there is a left and a right, or a driver and a passenger, however you want to say it. But so I'm gonna peel this off and stick it in there, and it's gonna deflect the wind just the way I like it. Alright, check it out. That's what it looks like with no tape on there. You only get one shot to put it in since it's taped. Now you're all gonna roll your window up and seat it in there real good, so then it'll stick better. Alright, just like that. It's your head, fathead. That's Luna, by the way. Old one down, new one in. Ciao, dogs. Pull the window up. Alright, that's what it looks like. I'll put in. It's nice because you can crack the window like this much. In the winter time, it's really good. Crack it like yay much and no wind blows in. And then, so yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you got any questions. Yeah, I don't know. Like always, hope you guys are having a wonderful day.